Hello friends, सबको नमस्ते. So today in this video we will create a eye blink detection, or you can say drowsiness detection. We create create the code, or I can say I will explain this whole code for the drowsiness detection or your eye blink detection. So let's get started. Let me for the preview, let me save the code and let me preview what is happening here. Let me choose video one. Let me save it, and now let me run it. Okay, so it will select detect year. What is the meaning of this year? I will explain later. It is not that this year, it is different one. Okay, so this is drowsiness alert detections, not detection. We are giving the signal that drowsiness is there. Okay, so this is what happening. Now let me explain the whole code. Before that, let me comment the whole code line by line. I will explain you. So first of all, what we want to do, we want to read the frame, and also uh, you can say this is the MediaPipe for the detection of the you can say the eye. We use MediaPipe, and you can say first we load MediaPipe face mask module. After that, we want to initialize face mask model. For that, we have two parameters: max number of faces. We want to detect only one face. Refined landmarks means improve eye landmark accuracy. So this way, mp face mask dot face mask give me the face mask. Okay, this is a model. Here this is a face mask module. This is a face mask model, and these are the coordinates values, or you say index values for the left eye and right eye. Okay, from MediaPipe, these are the for the face mask. This is a left and right eye index values. Okay, after that we have to use the video capture is important. So where it is video capture? Okay, where it is? So this is a video capture. We read the video, and this is important. FPS, I have to calculate the FPS frame per second for the video. And let me uh, know tell you the meaning of this delay. Okay, for that let me first unzip this whole code. Sorry, not unzip, uncomment this whole code. Okay, now let me comment the extra code. Here I'm using the delay. We are reading the frame. So first of all, this is not required, this is not required, and this is not required. Right now they are not required. I will explain you later. Okay, this is required. Till here it's required. Okay, and one more thing, this is not required right now. Okay, everything yes, everything is okay now. Here in while loop we can see that we read the frame. It give me frame, and red give me the bull type. It's true or false. Whether it is true means frame will be there, false means video is ended. If it is false, we will break the loop, and while loop means vanished. After that, we resize the frame from according to our size 1280 and 720 pixel. After that, we have to get the frame height and width, because what is the use of this height and width, later I will explain you, because right now you will get confused. For the MediaPipe, we have to convert the image into RGB. So here we convert the image into RGB. Okay, using the CBT color. After that, in the model, you just pass the RGB dot face mask dot process. Just pass the RGB image. We get a result. If any face is detected or face mask is detected, we just use if result dot multi-phase landmark. If it is there, then we move to inside the if loop. After that, extract the landmarks. We want to extract the landmarks. So for that, we use result dot multi-phase landmark zero index dot landmark. Give me the phase landmark. Okay, landmark coordinates values. Okay, now how we can get the left eye landmarks value? For that, it is very easy. Just first create a left eye empty list. After that, left eye, you can say I have already know the index coordinate value for the left eye and right eye. So according to that, we iterate over the left eye. I get the eye. So you can say what is MediaPipe give normalized coordinates. It's giving normalized coordinate 0 to 1. So that's why we require height and width, so we can unnormalize them. Okay, so convert that x coordinate to pixel value. For that, we just get first eye means left eye. This this list, I initially index first. Point value will be of 33 index value. So how I get the x value for that? Just use landmark I x and multiply with. You will get the x coordinate for this 33 for first iteration, and this way you will get x and y coordinate value for the left eye. And just after list is completed, you just convert that into MP array, and same for the right eye. Okay, everything is done for the same for the right eye. After that, you just using this, after getting this points coordinates value, using this polylines, cv2.polyline, you will draw the lines over the eye. Okay, just yes, true, and this color, and this is one. And now everything is done. Now one more thing, but the use of delay, let me explain right now. First of all, let me first of all, here instead of delay, I will use it 1. Now you will see that image will frame by frame will move very fastly. Okay, see this detection of is gone, but you can see it's frame per second is very fast. Okay, okay, it's ended very means very fast, it's ended. But original video, if you run the original video, it's take 20 seconds to complete the video. But when I will run this in this here without if without using the delay variable, you can say it's and under 10 second only, its video got ended. Okay, okay, it's added, so it's moving very fast. So how we can do, how we can know that, how we can move frame by frame according to the video fps. Okay, for that you have to calculate this delay here. Delay, just delay between frames, delay between frame, how much delay between the frame, how we can calculate it? Just 1000 multiplied by fps, you will calculate the delay. fps is frame per second. And why it's not maybe according to fps when we are using while loop? Because in while loop, how typical the calculation is, how typical the calculation is there in this while loop, according to that only frame by frame move. Okay, you can see that when you will do object detection, frame by frame is does not move at real time or the frame per second of the particular video have, because there much competition is there. But here the competition is not that much, so it's moving according to the cpu speed. Okay, not with the frame per second of the video have. So how to do move that according to the frame per second of the video? For that we have to calculate delay and just paste it here. Now it will move frame by frame according to the fps of the video. Now you can say it's take 20 seconds to complete the video. Okay, it's take 20 seconds. So now, because now head is not moving that much fast, that is previously it's moving. So let me close this now. Now let me explain you other thing. Okay, first is this one, I expect ratio threshold, means below this value I consider to be calculus close. And what that value code? I expect ratio, in short EAR. Okay, and what is this? Okay, what is this? Counter of the track, counter to track how many consecutive frame I are closed. Okay, this will give me this thing, how consecutive frame in consecutive frame I gets closed. For that purpose, initially it will be 0. Now one you can say this variable, this constant is also required. What this constant means? I want that if the eye close for 0.5 seconds, then then I consider that it is a drowsiness. So I wondered how many frames has to be there in 0.5 second. For that I have to for that calculation I have to do this calculation, means multiply fps with 0.5. You will get how many frames will go in 0.5 seconds, and the will get stored in this drowsiness frames. Now these are two functions which is required. This function give me the distance between the 2 points, and this function calculate the uh, I expect ratio. What does mean? See, the function calculate the I expect ratio means year. Year is used to determine whether the eye is open or closed. Okay, so how this calculation is done? It's we get a I, means you can get I means landmarks coordinates value. It get the list of all the landmark coordinates values, and how it's calculate the equidistance between upper and lower eyelid. First vertical measurement, then it calculate upper and lower eyelid vertical, second vertical measurement. Equidistance means 2 and 4. Then distance between left and right corner of the eye, horizontal width. After that it will do the calculation. This is the calculation which is done. And what's this value mean? If ear is high, eye is open. If ear is low, eye is closed. This that meaning is okay. And what is this I1 and I5? I1 will belong to this, I5 belongs to 0 1 2 3 4 5, 0 1 2 3 4 5. This I5 will be this one. So this way we calculate it. Okay, now come back here. This is a whole calculation is going on. Now here we calculate the ear aspect ratio, and for that, to avoid the noise, we just take the average of both left eye and right eye. We just calculate the you can say average. After getting the average of both left and right eye, we get to know that means we reduce noise here. Okay, after that we will this is happening here. Now let me unclose it, uncomment. See, now this is just simple part. Okay, after calculating ear, we get if ear is less than ear threshold. Okay, which we have to have a constant value. Ear threshold means if the value is 0.25 less than 0.9, we can consider it eye is closed. Okay, so if it is closed, then we close the frame. We update the closed frame +1, and if it is not reset counter, if I is open, it means reset counter to 0. If in a consecutive frame, the consecutive frame closed frame, closed frame counter will go to greater than 0, greater than drowsiness frames, we can consider it as a drowsiness, and we show this alert here. Drowsiness and text, this is our okay, and say the x and y position of the text, and this way the whole thing is happening. And also at continuously we calculate the ear, so that's why we continuously put the ear value on a frame, and these are the values, coordinates value for that, position value you can say. Okay, then, and this whole thing is happening in this if statement, because all thing will happen only when the model detect eyes on, or otherwise it will not work. So now let me save it. Now let me run this. Okay, I hope you get to understand what is happening and how we calculate in drowsiness. Okay, so here is I expect ratio. Okay, next its drowsiness is there because continuously frame is consecutive frame I is closed. Okay, now let me work on second video. Let me show the video of second. Now let me run it. Okay, initially drowsiness will not that much. At some point drowsiness alert will show. See, yes, it's working. So this way drowsiness alert is there. Or you can say either we are detecting eye blink, or either we detecting drowsiness. It's up to you how you can see this code, but I have explained you each and everything line by line properly. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks to all.